This rustic Italian beef casserole features tender chunks of beef, slowly cooked to perfection, soaking up all the flavours from the red wine and aromatic herbs. The prep is a doddle. You can use up loads of random veg that you may have lying about in the fridge, yet it makes a perfect centrepiece for a family dinner. Serve it with rice or potatoes or simply in a bowl with some crusty bread. It's a delicious casserole that promises satisfaction with every bite. Sounds good? This is how you make it. One of the best things about this casserole is the amount of flexibility you've got with what veggies you're using. Now, I typically make most casseroles with a stick of celery, an onion and some carrots, so that's what I'm doing for this, along with a green pepper, but you can use courgettes, mushrooms, aubergine, whatever you've really got lying around in the fridge. Anyway, you want to heat a large oven-proof dish with some oil in it and fry those veggies for a couple of minutes until they start to soften. Add your garlic and fry for a further 30 seconds or so, and then to that you're going to add in a large glass of red wine and let that reduce by about a third. That just allows the alcohol to burn off, but it still leaves the delicious red wine flavour. Then add your lean beef along with your stock and 30 grams of corn flour. Make sure you mix some water into the corn flour first so it doesn't go clumpy when you add it with the hot stock. Add a tablespoon of mixed herbs, a half teaspoon of salt, plenty of grinds of black pepper, and then finally just a tablespoon of tomato puree. Mix all of that so it's nicely combined, pop the lid on it, stick it in the oven about 160 for 3 hours. And at this point the video would be great if you could hit that like button. Nothing to do with ego, it just helps with the growth of the channel, it means more people will see this video. Then after 3 hours, remove from the oven, plate it up, and serve it with crusty bread or rice or potatoes, or it's just delicious, whatever you do, and then garnish with something green, plenty of black pepper, and then just get stuck in. So there we have it, delicious rustic Italian beef casserole. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and as always, if you want the full recipe along with all the macros and calories and so on, you can get it inside my Food for Fitness recipes app, and if you just click the link below in the description, you can download it for all iPhones, Android devices, iPads, tablets, whatever. So, thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think of this recipe, drop a comment below and tell me what you think once you've made it, and I'm off to go and eat it. So, I'll speak to you later. See ya!